Hello students and good morning. So now I am doing class for class 10. The topic is trigonometrical ratios. So today is the new topic we are discussing. And in the last online class we did concept on measurement of angles of a triangle. Okay? So now let's do this trigonometrical ratios. You know the meaning of ratios, isn't it? That is A is to B. And this ratio can be written in terms of fraction, that is A upon B. Here numerator, that is A is to B. Here A is known as the antecedent and B is known as the consequent. And this A is to B can be written in the form of fraction, that is A upon B. That is numerator divided by denominator. Okay? So in order to do trigonometrical ratios, you should consider a right angle triangle. So let us draw a right angle triangle first. Okay? Suppose this is a right angle triangle. Let us consider this right angle triangle, and this is 90 degree, and this is A, this is B, and this is C. Let us consider one of the angles. Let us consider this angle as theta. Let us consider this angle as theta. So if this angle theta is considered, that is angle ACB is equal to theta. If this angle theta is considered, then the side opposite to this angle will be the perpendicular. The side opposite to the angle considered will be the perpendicular. This one will be the base, and the longest side will be the hypotenuse. So you should know it. So this P is the perpendicular, you know, this is perpendicular. This is known as perpendicular. This B is known as the base, and this H is known as what? This is known as hypotenuse. This is known as hypotenuse. So always you have to remember that the side opposite to the angle considered will be the perpendicular. Okay? Here this angle theta, that is angle ACB is equal to theta is considered. The side opposite to this angle theta will be the perpendicular. Okay? The other side will be the base, and this will be the hypotenuse. So this is hypotenuse, perpendicular, and base concept. Okay? So next, again let us draw a right angle triangle here also. So let us consider this right angle triangle. Okay? Now this is A, this is B, and this is C, and this is your 90 degree. Right? And this is your 90 degree. Suppose this angle is considered, that is angle BAC is equal to theta. Angle BAC is equal to theta is considered in this case. And which is the side opposite to this angle considered? That is angle BAC is equal to theta. Which is the side opposite to this angle theta considered? This is BC. Now BC will be the perpendicular. Okay? And this other side will be the base, and this longest side will be the hypotenuse. So this perpendicular is BC now. This is your perpendicular, right? And this will be the base, and this will be the hypotenuse. And this will be the hypotenuse. Is that clear? So now let us discuss about the trigonometrical ratios. There are 6 types of trigonometrical ratios. Okay, one is SINE sine, SINE sine. Other one is cosine. Other one is tangent. Other one is cotangent. Next one is secant, and the other one is cosecant. Okay? So whenever we take this trigonometrical ratios, you have to take it with an angle. That is sine of theta, cosine of theta, tangent of theta, cotangent of theta, secant of theta, cosecant of theta. Okay? So these are the 6 trigonometrical ratios. One is sine theta, SINE sine theta. Other one is cosine theta, COSINE cosine theta. Other one is tangent theta. Next one is cotangent theta. Next one is secant theta. Next one is cosecant theta. But these are the, so these are SINE sine. That is the full form. These are all the full form of trigonometrical ratios. These are all the full form of trigonometrical ratio. So whenever you write down trigonometrical ratio, we do not write this full form. For this SINE sine theta, you will write only sine theta, SIN sine theta. But don't pronounce it as SIN sin. It is pronounced at sine. It is pronounced as sine. This SIN theta, this SIN is pronounced as sine theta, but not sin theta. Okay? And this, what is the shortcut form of cosine theta? It will be cos theta. You will write only cos theta. And tangent theta, we don't write tangent theta. We can write only tan theta. Right? And we don't write cotangent theta, we will write it as cot theta. And next one, we don't write secant theta, we write it as sec theta. And cosecant theta, we don't write cosecant theta full form, but we should write this as cosec theta. So these are the 6 trigonometrical ratios that you should know. Now we will discuss about this 6 trigonometrical ratios. Okay? So now again let us draw a right angle triangle now. Now again let us draw a right angle triangle here. So this is a right angle triangle. So in order to write down these trigonometrical ratios, always consider a right angle triangle. Okay? So suppose this is A, this is B, and this one is C. Right? So let us consider this angle. Angle ACB is equal to theta. And I already told you that the side opposite to this angle theta considered will be the perpendicular. This will be the perpendicular. This will be the perpendicular, that is P. Okay? This will be the base, that is B. Perpendicular, PERPENDICULAR, perpendicular. The side opposite to this angle theta considered will be perpendicular always, P. And the other side will be the base B, and the longest side will be the hypotenuse, H. That is your hypotenuse. That is your hypotenuse. HYPOTENUAC, hypotenuse. That is the longest side of the right angle triangle is known as what? It is the hypotenuse. Okay? Now let us write down the formula. Now first one is sine of an angle theta. We don't write the full form of sine, SINE. We write only the shortcut form of sine, that is SIN sine theta. So its formula will be perpendicular by hypotenuse. Sine theta is equal to perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. Perpendicular divided by hypotenuse, which is equal to P upon H. Right? Next one, number 2. Next, number 2 will be cos theta. Cos theta. We don't write the full form of cos, that is cosine theta. We don't write it. we write down the shortcut form of cosine, that is cos theta, which is equal to, this is base upon hypotenuse. This is base upon hypotenuse, which is equal to b upon h. Okay. Next, number 3 is your tan theta, but we don't write full form tangent theta. We write only the shortcut form of tangent, that is tan theta, which is equal to perpendicular by base, which is equal to perpendicular divided by base, which is equal to P upon B. Is that clear? So you have to memorize this formula, that is sin theta is equal to P by H, cos theta is equal to B by H, tan theta is equal to P by B. So for this, in order to remember this, sin theta is equal to P by H, cos theta is equal to B by H, tan theta is equal to P by B, there is a statement. Some people, PE, some people have Corley brown here, Corley brown here, turned permanently black, turned permanently black. Okay. So if you remember this statement, you can easily write down the formula of sin theta is equal to P by H, cos theta is equal to B by H, tan theta is equal to P by B. Some people have SPH, sin theta is equal to P by H. That is, some people have. So some people have means sin theta is equal to P by H. There is S, some, there is P, people, there is H, have. Is that clear? Some people have means sin theta is equal to P by H. Next, curly brown here, curly C, brown B, here H. C is cos, this C is cos, this B is B, this H is this H. Curly brown here means cos theta is equal to B upon H. Is that clear? Turn permanently black, T, this is your T, this is your P, and this is your B. Turn permanently black. T means tan theta, this P means perpendicular, and this B means, this B, black B means base. Turn permanently black means tan theta is equal to P upon B. So here also, from this, how can you remember this formula? Some people have sin theta is equal to P upon H, Corley brown here, cos theta is equal to B upon H, turn permanently black, T is equal to tan theta is equal to P by B. So instead of theta, you may have alpha also. Alpha is also Greek letter. The angle is also represented by alpha. If you write here alpha, this will be sin alpha, cos alpha, tan alpha. Same formula is there. Sin alpha is equal to P by H, cos alpha is equal to B by H, tan alpha is equal to P by B. Some people have curly brown hair, turn permanently black, right? So instead of alpha, you may have beta also. Instead of theta, it may be beta. So in that case, you will have sin beta is equal to P by H, cos beta is equal to B by H, and tan beta is equal to P by B. Is that clear to all of you? So I think you have understood it. So now, there is opposite trigonometrical ratios of sin theta, right? So if you remember this statement, you can easily write down the formula for sin theta, cos theta, and tan theta. Some people have sin theta is equal to P by H, curly brown here, cos theta is equal to B by H, turn permanently black, tan theta is equal to P by B. Okay, and there is opposite trigonometrical ratios of sin theta. So what is the opposite of sin theta? It is cosec theta. Opposite of sin theta is equal to what? Cosec theta. Cosec theta is just the opposite trigonometrical ratio of sin theta. That is your cosec theta, which can be written as h by p. What is h here? What is h here? This is hypotenuse divided by perpendicular. Hypotenuse divided by perpendicular. So there is opposite trigonometrical ratios of cos theta, that is sec theta. That is your sec theta, which is equal to, now sec theta is equal to, this is just the opposite of cos theta, that means h by b. If cos theta is equal to b by h, what is sec theta? H by b. So this is your h by b, which is equal to, what is h here? This is hypotenuse divided by, what is b here? B is the base, right? And next, what is the opposite trigonometrical ratio of tan theta? It is cot theta. That is, cot theta is the opposite trigonometrical ratio of tan theta. It is just the invert of tan theta, that is b by p. B by p. What is b here? This is base divided by, what is p? P is the perpendicular. P is the perpendicular. Okay. So if you know the formula of sin theta is equal to p by h, cos theta is equal to p by h, tan theta is equal to p by b, then you can easily write down the trigonometrical ratio of cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. So you should know that cosec theta is the opposite trigonometrical ratio of sin theta. Cosec theta and sin theta are opposite trigonometrical ratio. And sec theta is the opposite trigonometrical ratio of cos theta. Cot theta is the opposite trigonometrical ratio of tan theta. So these are the formula that you should remember. So this is number 4, this is number 5, and this is number 6. Is that clear? So next, so you should know this statement in order to remember all this formula, right? Some people have Collie brown hair turned permanently black, right? So next, we will derive some formula from here. So if you divide this sin theta by cos theta, so let's see what happens here. If you divide sin theta by cos theta, it will be sin theta divided by cos theta is equal to, this is p by h upon b by h. So sin theta is p by h, and what is cos theta? It is b by h. Here h gets cancels. So therefore sin theta divided by cos theta is equal to, this is p by b. Okay. Actually, what is p by b? P by b is tan theta. So which is equal to tan theta. That means we can write tan theta is equal to, this is sin theta divided by cos theta. So you should know this formula. So I think you have understood it. So again, let us divide these 4 by, let us divide. So now let us divide 2 by 1, not 4 by 5. Let us divide 2 by 1. Let us divide this 2 divided by 1. Okay. So here we have divided 1 by 2. That is sin theta by cos theta. So let us divide 2 by 1. So it is cos theta by sin theta. So now it is cos theta divided by sin theta. Right. Which is equal to, what is cos theta here? What is the formula? B by h. So it is b by h divided by, what is sin theta here? P by h. So this is your p by h. Here h gets cancels. Or, so cos theta divided by sin theta is equal to b by p. But according to the formula, what is b by p? B by p is cot theta. What is b by p? It is cot theta, right? So we can write here which is equal to cot theta. That means we can equate cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. So this is also the formula for cot theta is equal to, this is cos theta divided by sin theta. So this is the formula. So I think you have understood it. Okay, so you can copy it. So now you should know some values of sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cos theta, sec theta and cot theta. So what may be the possible value of sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cos theta, sec theta and cot theta? Okay, so you can copy it. So now you should memorize all this formula, that is sin theta is equal to P by H, perpendicular by hypotenuse, cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse, which is equal to B by H, tan theta is equal to P by B, that is perpendicular by base, cos theta is equal to hypotenuse by perpendicular, that is H by P, sec theta is equal to hypotenuse by base, which is equal to H by B, and cot theta is equal to B by P, which is equal to base by perpendicular. So this sin, cos and tan can be remembered by using the statement, that is, some people have curly brown hair turned permanently black. Okay, and you should know this formula also, that is tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. You should know the formula, tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta, and cot theta is equal to what? It is cos theta by sin theta. So you should know all this formula, right? So now you should know that sin theta is always less than or equal to 1. Sin theta may be equal to 1, but the value of sin theta should be less than 1. You know this sign, isn't it? This is less than sine, this is less than sine, and this is what? This is greater than sine. This means greater than, this is less than. Like, you know that 3 is less than 5, 100 is greater than 50, right? This is your less than sign, this is your less than sign, this is greater than sign. So 3 is less than 5 and 100 is greater than 50. Okay, so now again is equal to is also there. This means if it is less than and is equal to is there, that means sin theta is less than or equal to. This means less than or equal to. This means less than or equal to, and this means greater than or equal to. This means greater than or what? Equal to. Is that clear to all of you? So I think you have understood it. So you should always know that sin theta is less than or equal to 1, but it is always greater than or equal to 0. So sin theta lies within 0 and 1. The value for sin theta is greater than or equal to 0, but less than or equal to 1. Okay, but sin theta should not be greater than 1. Sin theta should not be greater than 1. The value for sin theta cannot be greater than 1. Similarly, cos theta is also 0 less than or equal to cos theta less than or equal to 1. The value for cos theta always lies within 0 and 1. So cos theta is always greater than or equal to 0. Cos theta may be equal to 0, but it should be always less than or equal to 1. Okay? And next, number 3. The value for tan theta lies within 0 and infinity. That means tan theta can have any values, any positive values. Tan theta can have any negative values. That is, tan theta lies within 0 and infinity means tan theta may have any positive values. Okay? Similarly, cot theta also 0 less than or equal to cot theta less than infinity means cot theta may have any positive values. Cot theta may have any positive values. Is that clear? And next, number 5, cosec theta. Cosec theta must be always greater than or equal to 1. If sin theta lies within 0 and 1, so cosec theta should not lie within 0 and 1. It should be greater than or equal to 1. The value for cosec theta should be greater than or equal to 1. Okay? And number 6 also, the value for sec theta should be greater than or equal to 1. And cos theta should lie between 0 and 1. So sec theta should not lie between 0 and 1. But the value of sec theta must be greater than or equal to 1. Sec theta may be equal to 1 and sec theta may be greater than 1. Okay, but it should not lie within 0 and 1. So these are the possible values of 6 trigonometrical ratios. So you should know it. So what is meant by 0 less than or equal to tan theta less than infinity? That means tan theta may have any positive values. This 0 less than or equal to cot theta less than infinity means cot theta may have any values. Okay, sin theta is greater than or equal to 0 but less than or equal to 1 means sin theta lies within 0 and 1 but it should not be greater than 1. Cos theta lies within 0 and 1 but cos theta should not be greater than 1. Okay, so tan theta and cot theta may have any positive values. Cosec theta should be greater than or equal to 1 but cosec theta should not be less than 1. This sec theta also, it should not be less than 1 but it is always greater than or equal to 1. Okay, so is that clear to all of you? So now you can copy it. Now we will do problems from the book. So now, so we'll do this question from, let us work out 23.1 from page number 295 from the book Ganit Prakash for class 10 by West Bengal Board of Secondary Education. So let's do this problem number 1. I have drawn a right angle triangle ABC whose hypotenuse AB is equal to 10 centimeter, base BC is equal to 8 centimeter and perpendicular AC is equal to 6 centimeter. So let us determine the values of SI, sine and tangent 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 angle ABC. Okay, so now in this case I have drawn a right angle triangle ABC where AB is the hypotenuse, BC is the base and perpendicular is AC. Okay, so let us draw a right angle triangle now. So let us draw this right angle triangle. Now in this case AB is the hypotenuse and BC is the base. This AB is the hypotenuse, that is the longest side is the hypotenuse. Okay, and here BC is the base, that is BC is the base out here. Okay, BC is the base and perpendicular AC, so AC is the perpendicular. Is that clear? So what is the length of AB? This is your 10 centimeter. What is base BC? This is 8 centimeter. And what is perpendicular AC? It is 6 centimeter. Now we have to find out the values of sine and tangent of angle ABC. Angle ABC means this one. We can take it as theta. We can take it as theta. Okay, I already told you that if this angle theta is considered, the side opposite to this angle theta considered will be the perpendicular. Which is the side opposite to this angle theta? This is AC. So this AC will be the perpendicular. It is given in the question itself. AC is the perpendicular, BC is the base and AB is the hypotenuse. Is that clear? Now you have to find out SINE, sine angle ABC. So let us write down the value for sine angle ABC. So SINE, sine angle ABC. That means which is equal to Now we can write down the shortcut form of sine. This is SINE is the full form trigonometrical ratio. What is the shortcut form of SINE? You will write down the shortcut of SINE sine, that is SIN. What is angle ABC here? It is theta. What is the formula for sine theta? That is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Some people have. I told you that is statement, isn't it? Whenever you have to memorize that formula, you should know that statement. Some people have Collie Brown hair turned permanently black. Okay. So now in this case, some people have. Some people have. That means sine theta is equal to people have, P by H. So which is equal to, what is P here? Which is the perpendicular? This, if this angle theta is considered, this will be the perpendicular. This is P is equal to 6. This is the base, B is equal to 8. And this is the hypotenuse, H is equal to 10 centimeter. What is the perpendicular here? It is 6 centimeter divided by, what is the hypotenuse here? It is 10 centimeter. Is that clear? So here centimeter gets cancels. 2 3s are 6. This is 2 5s are 10, which is equal to, this is 3 upon 5. So we have calculated this trigonometrical ratios. Sine angle ABC, which is equal to sine theta, which is equal to 3 upon 5. That is the answer. So I think you have understood it. Next, you have to find out tangent angle ABC. Now let us find out tangent angle ABC. This is the full form trigonometrical ratios. Let us write down the shortcut form of tangent, which is equal to tan. And we have assumed angle ABC as theta, that is tan theta. So what is the formula for tan theta? So you should know that statement. Some people have Collie Brown hair turned permanently black. Turned means tan theta. Turned permanently, P black divided by B. Turned permanently black. That means tan theta is equal to, what is the formula? Perpendicular by base, that is P by B. So what is P here? P is 6 centimeter divided by, what is the base here? It is 8 centimeter. So here centimeter gets cancels. So it is 2 3s are 6. This is 2 4s are 8, which is equal to, what is the answer? It is 3 upon 4. So this is the final answer. So I think you have understood it. So you can copy it. Now we'll do the next question. So now we'll do the next question, that is question number 2. Soma has drawn a right angle triangle ABC. Soma is the name of a girl. So she has drawn a right angle triangle ABC. So she has drawn a right angle triangle ABC with angle ABC is 90 degree. That is, this angle B, angle ABC is equal to what? This is 90 degree. This is the sine of 90 degree, right? And AB is equal to 24 centimeter. What is AB here? Here AB is equal to 24 centimeter. This AB is equal to 24 centimeter and BC is 7 centimeter. Here this BC is 7 centimeter. Okay. So now you have to calculate this sine A, cos A, tan A and cosec A. So now in this case, this angle A is considered. If this angle A is considered, I already told you that the side opposite to this angle considered is the perpendicular. If this angle A is considered, which is its opposite side? This BC is its opposite side. So this will be the perpendicular now. So this will be the perpendicular, this will be the base, and this longest side will be the hypotenuse. So is that clear to all of you? So I think you have understood it. If this angle A is considered, the side opposite to this angle will be the perpendicular, that is BC will be the perpendicular, AB will be the base and AC will be the hypotenuse. So let us calculate the value for h, that is your hypotenuse. Okay, so in geometry portion we have already done Pythagoras theorem, state and prove Pythagoras theorem. You know that from Pythagoras theorem you can write hypotenuse whole square is equal to perpendicular square plus base whole square, that is h square is equal to b square plus p square. You should know it. We have done it in geometry, right? State and prove Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so now here we can write in right angled triangle, in right angle triangle ABC, we have h square is equal to b square plus p square. H means hypotenuse whole square, b means base whole square, plus p means perpendicular whole square, right? So you should find out h square now. So we don't know h square is equal to, what is base whole square? 24 whole square. This is your 24 whole square plus what is perpendicular whole square? It is 7 whole square, right? So or this is h square is equal to, what is 24 whole square? So it is 24 multiplied by 24. Let us multiply them. You know how to multiply it. 4 4s are 16, 6, 1, 4 2s are 8 plus 1 is 9. Cross 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4. So it is 6. It is 576. So 24 whole square is, this is your 576 plus, what is 7 square? It is 49, right? So let us add them. 9 plus 6, 15, 5, 1, 7 plus 1, 8 plus 4 is 12, 2, 1, 5 plus 1 is 6. So or h is equal to, this is within square root 625. So h is equal to, what is square root of 625? It is 25. What is the unit? Centimeter. So this is h is 25 centimeter. So I think you have understood it. Okay. Now you have to calculate. You have to find out the values of sine A, cos A, tan A and cosec A. So let us write down first sine A. So sine A is equal to, what is the formula? You should know the formula now. Here angle A is considered. Some people have P by H. Some people have P have means H. Sine A is equal to P by H, which is equal to, which is the perpendicular here? This angle is considered, so this will be the perpendicular. That is, perpendicular is 7 centimeter divided by what is H? It is 25 centimeter. From both the numerator and the denominator, you can cancel this centimeter, which is equal to 7 upon 25. So this is the answer. What is sine A is equal to? It is 7 upon 25. Is that clear? Next, cos A. Cos A. How can you write down the formula for cos A? You know that cos A is equal to base upon hypotenuse, or curly brown here. You know that curly means C. Cos A brown here. Brown B here is H. That means cos A is equal to base upon hypotenuse. What is the base out here? Your base is 24 centimeter. Base is what? From the figure, base is 24 centimeter divided by which is the hypotenuse? It is 25 centimeter. You can cancel it, which is equal to, this is 24 by 25. So this is the answer. Understood? Next, tan A. Therefore, what is the formula for tan A? It is, full form of tan A is tangent A. Tan A, what is the formula for tan A? Tan A is equal to perpendicular by base. That is, you should know that statement. Some people have curly brown hair turned permanently black. Turned permanently black. Turned means T, tan A. Permanently P divided by black. Turned T, permanently P, black. B, black. That is, tan A is equal to perpendicular by base. So which is the perpendicular out here? It is 7 centimeter divided by, which is the base out here? It is 24 centimeter. So from here you can cancel this 7. You can cancel this centimeter only, not 7. You can cancel only centimeter. So we have 7 by 24. So it is 7 by 24. So this is the answer, right? And next one is cosec A. So cosec A is equal to, now I already told you that cosec A is the opposite trigonometrical ratio of sine A. If sine A is equal to P by H, what is cosec A? H by P, isn't it? If sine A is equal to P by H, what is cosec A? It is H by P, which is equal to, what is H here? Here H is 25 centimeter from the figure, and divided by, what is P out here? It is 7 centimeter from the figure. Here centimeter gets cancels, which is equal to, this is 25 by 7. So this is the final answer. So I think you have understood it. So sine A is equal to 7 by 25. Cos A is equal to 24 by 25. Tan A is 7 by 24. And cosec A is equal to 25 by 7. So these are the answers. So I hope you have understood it. So you can copy it. Now we'll do the next question. So now we'll do the next question, that is question number 3. If in a right angle triangle ABC, there is a right angle triangle ABC. In this right angle triangle ABC, angle C is equal to 90 degree. Angle C is equal to 90 degree. BC is equal to 21 units. Here BC is equal to 21 units. And AB is equal to 29 units. Then let us find the values of sine A, cos A, sine B and cos B. Okay. So let us draw the figure here. There is a right angle triangle ABC, right? So this is a right angle triangle ABC. Your angle C is 90 degrees. So this is your 90 degree. This is the sine of 90 degree. So angle C is equal to 90 degree. And now this is A and this is B. This is your ABC. Okay. Now what is AB here? AB is equal to 29 units. Here AB is equal to 29 units. And BC is equal to 21 units. BC is equal to 21 units, right? BC is equal to 21 units. Then let us find the values of sine A, cos A, sine B and cos B. Okay. So now let us find out the value for AC here. Let us find out the value for AC. Now let us write here ABC is a right angled triangle. Right angled triangle with angle C is equal to 90 degree. Okay. So values for AB and BC are given out here. Let us get the value for AC. So now in this case, if angle B is considered, if this angle B is considered, this will be the perpendicular. If angle A is considered, this 21 will be the perpendicular. Okay. So let us take this angle as B. If this angle B is considered, this will be the perpendicular, this will be the base and this will be the hypotenuse. Okay. So now in this case we know that h square is equal to b square plus p square. Okay. So or what is h whole square? H whole square is 29 whole square is equal to what is base whole square? That is 21 whole square plus this is p square. We don't know p square. So now 21 whole square, take it to the left hand side, don't simplify it. 29 whole square minus 21 whole square is equal to what? It is p square, right? And you know this formula, a square minus b square. What is a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. You know that, isn't it? What is a plus b here? 29 plus 21 is a plus b into a minus b. 29 minus 21 is a minus b, which is equal to p square. Okay. So now what is 29 plus 21? 29 plus 21 is 50. 50 into what is 29 minus 21? That is 8, which is equal to p square. Now it is p square is equal to, this is p square is equal to 400. 8 into 50 is 400. 8 zeros are 0, 8 fives are 40. So p is equal to, this is root over 400. That is, what is p is equal to? This is 20 units. So what is p here? P is equal to 20 units. Here p is equal to 20 units. So I think you have understood it. So let us consider this angle B first. If you consider this angle B, let us find out the value for sine B. Therefore, sine B is equal to, what is the formula? Sine B, some people have P by H. P by H. Okay. If this angle B is considered, this will be the perpendicular, this will be the base, and this will be the hypotenuse. The side opposite to this angle B considered will be the perpendicular. This will be the perpendicular. This is the base. This is the hypotenuse. Okay. So what is P in this case? It is 20 units divided by, which is the hypotenuse? 29 units. Is that clear? So here units gets cancels, which is equal to 20 by 29. So this is the answer for sine B. Now what is cos B? So cos B is equal to curly brown hair. What is the formula? Base upon hypotenuse. So cos B is equal to B upon H. That is, cos B is equal to, what is the base here? Base is 21 units. Base is 21 units. Divided, which is the hypotenuse? 29 units. Hypotenuse is 29 units. So here units gets cancels. Or what is cos B is equal to? This is 21 divided by 29. So this is the answer. So we have found out the values of sine B as well as cos B. So now next, let us find out the values for sine A and cos A. Now sine A means you have to consider angle A. So now if this angle A is considered, the side opposite to this angle A considered will be BC. Now this will be the perpendicular. P is equal to 21 units. Is that clear? And the other side, this side will be the base. Base B is equal to 21 units. And this is the hypotenuse is the same. That is 29 units. That is, the longest side will remain same. That is, hypotenuse remains same. Okay. So now let us find out sine A now. Therefore, sine A is equal to, some people have P by H. Therefore, this is your sine A is equal to, now next, what is the value for P out here? What is the value for P in this case? If this angle A is considered, the side opposite to this angle will be the perpendicular. That is, BC will be the perpendicular, 21 units. So it is 21 units divided by, which is the hypotenuse? This is 29 units. Okay, units gets cancels. So which is equal to, this is 21 by 29. So this is the answer for sine A. Okay. Now let us find out cos A now. So therefore cos A is equal to, what is cos A is equal to? Curly brown hair. Cos A is equal to base upon hypotenuse. So this is B by H. Therefore cos A is equal to here. Now since angle A is considered, the side opposite to this angle A is BC. This will be the perpendicular. The side opposite to the angle A, the side opposite to the angle A considered will be the perpendicular now. This is perpendicular. This is the base. Here what is the base? 20 units. So let us write here 20 units. So this is 20 units divided by, which is the hypotenuse here? it is 29 units. It is 29 units. So units gets cancels. So what is the answer? It is 20 by 29. So this is the final answer. So now in this case, what is the value for sine B? 20 by 29. What is the value for cos B? It is 21 by 29. What is the value for sine A? It is 21 by 29. And what is the value for cos A? It is 20 by 29. So these are the answers. So I think you have understood it. So you can copy it. So now this much is for today. So today we did the new chapter, that is trigonometrical ratios. So you revise all the problems that we did today, and you should know that formula which we have done in the beginning. So you should know all this formula. What is sine A, what is cos A, what is tan A, or theta, sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, cot theta, and sec theta. You should know all the formula. Okay, that is sine theta is equal to P by H, cos theta is equal to B by H, tan theta is equal to P by B, cosec theta is equal to H by P, sec theta is equal to H by B, and cot theta is equal to B by P. And you should also know that tan theta is equal to sine theta by cos theta, and cot theta is equal to cos theta by sine theta. So you should know all this formula. Okay, so try to memorize all this formula. So in the next class, we will do more problems on these trigonometrical ratios from this chapter. Okay, so this much is for today. So you can copy it.